with Republicans set to take control of the U.S. House in January, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi could have remained the top Democrat running for minority leader, but she's decided not to seek any leadership posts.
Nancy Pelosi served for 2 decades leading House Democrats as Speaker or as Democratic leader. Former Speaker Dennis Hastert also remained a member after the GOP lost the House in 2006.
My friends, no matter what title you all, my colleagues, have bestowed upon me, Speaker, Leader, Whip, there is no greater official honor for me than to stand on this floor and to speak for the people of San Francisco.
In a statement, President Biden said, when he thinks of Pelosi, he thinks of dignity.
Fox's chat program on Capitol Hill. Pelosi, who's 82, has been in Congress since 1987, just re-elected for a 19th term. A California motorist now faces multiple charges in yesterday's crash into a crowd of Sheriff's Department cadets who were out for an early morning training run in Los Angeles County when more than 20 of them were hurt.
22-year-old Nicholas Gutierrez was charged with attempted murder of a police officer. More charges could come as several cadets remain in critical condition. Detectives suspect Gutierrez may also have been high at the time. He admitted being sleepy just after the accident, and deputies found marijuana in his car. Now, unlike alcohol, there's no legal limit on cannabis, but a recent study found motor vehicle fatalities involving pot more than doubled from 9 to 22% in the last decade, with THC, the psychoactive ingredient found to delay response times and affect the ability to change lanes.
Fox's William Lajeunesse. Investigators have said Gutierrez was driving on the wrong side of the road and a field sobriety test was negative. Trafficking suspects in custody after a gunfight off the coast of Puerto Rico this morning. Customs and Border Protection says 3 of its agents were wounded. America's listening to Fox News.
Lisa Booth here for Bishop Gold Group. So just when you think the stock market's recovering and everything's going back to normal, well, here comes another downturn. So what are you going to do? The answer is gold. The company that I trust is Bishop Gold Group. They can advise you on investing in gold or gold. Now, you'll get up to $5,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase. Call Bishop Gold Group on your phone, dial pound 250, keyword Bishop Gold. That's pound 250. Bishop Gold, or go to bishopgoldgroup.com.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
This report is paid for by National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Any first responder will tell you.
Story something else will not go back to. You feel like a criminal. Asshole, but took no need for that. I didn't know it was my there. You know, like, dude. Like, you know, yeah, it's not how you make conversation, first of all. Yeah, by making them feel like they are criminals? No. Jeez. You know, like, what the fuck that was about? Solo soccer story on Grand Avenue in South San Francisco, not worth going to. Guy, there's a jerk, like, interrogating me like crazy, like, making me feel like a criminal. Like, damn, I can't buy something without being questioned about it multiple times. Kind of aggressive each time, too. Sheesh.